Christmas pudding, a holiday must-have. Pause a moment here to glance over the ingredients. We are starting right away. So, starting with chopping dates, you should opt for medjool dates, but any softened dates work as well. You're going to put the dates into a heat-proof bowl because we're adding boiling water over them, and the water content is included in the recipe, so make sure it's 1 cup exactly. Then add baking soda, mix until the baking soda dissolves, and set aside. Now we're going to measure both our butter and sugar and add them into a mixing bowl. We're going to mix them until combined. You can just use a fork for this, no need for any electrical mixers or anything. The mixture will be grainy and not smooth. When our mixture is ready, we are going to start adding eggs. You will need 2 large eggs for this recipe, and you will add it one by one, whisking well in between the additions. So in the end, you're going to get this nice smooth paste. Next, measure our flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. Sifting here is crucial. It's what will give our pudding that airy, light texture. And then adding 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and just a pinch of salt before mixing everything. Then we're going to mix it well. It will be a bit hard because we haven't added the liquid from the dates yet, but that's okay. Then you're going to combine the date mix in halves. The batter should be liquidy and pale. It will get its color in the oven, don't worry. And then you're going to grease the pan you're using and line the bottom and the sides with parchment paper. You're going to pour in the batter and flatten the top slightly, and then bake in a preheated oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 30 minutes. While that bakes, we are going to make the absolute star, our boozy brown sugar cream sauce. We will start with adding whipping cream into a saucepan, followed by brown sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of honey. You're going to mix it well and then put it on medium heat until it boils. We're going to stir it occasionally. When it boils, you're going to add your alcohol of choice. I used rum. You can do brandy, whiskey, or similar. And then leave it to simmer for 2 more minutes. Our pudding is baked and cooled. We are going to cut it into cubes. I served it with hazelnut ice cream, and this is honestly one of the best desserts I've ever made. Fluffy base, sticky sauce, and the crunch of hazelnut. You really need to try this. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and let me know if you try it, and I'm wishing you happy holidays. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!